Alright, so if BlueStacks is stuck on the loading screen, yeah, that can be really annoying, but most of the time it's fixable with a few quick steps. Let's go through them. First, restart your computer. Yeah, it sounds simple, but it often clears temporary issues. Now open Task Manager and close any BlueStacks processes running in the background. Try launching BlueStacks as administrator to avoid permission issues. Make sure virtualization is enabled in your BIOS settings. This is very important for BlueStacks to load properly. Outdated graphics drivers can cause loading problems, so update them to the latest version. Clear BlueStacks cache or temporary files if available. Sometimes antivirus software blocks BlueStacks from loading. Try disabling it temporarily. If it's still stuck, uninstall and reinstall BlueStacks fresh. And yeah, that's how you fix BlueStacks stuck on loading issues. Just follow these steps, and you should be able to get it working again.